Are you wondering if YouTube TV can be used in a business setting? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain whether YouTube TV is suitable for commercial use. If you're considering using it in your office, restaurant, or waiting area, you'll want to hear this. Unfortunately, YouTube TV is not designed for commercial use. According to its terms of service, YouTube TV is intended solely for personal and household viewing, meaning it cannot legally be used in businesses like restaurants, bars, or retail spaces. Using the service in a commercial setting without proper licensing could violate copyright laws and lead to penalties. If you're looking for a streaming solution for your business, consider exploring commercial-grade services like DirecTV for Business, Spectrum TV for Business, or other providers that offer appropriate licenses for public viewing. If this video helped you understand the limitations of using YouTube TV in a business, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.